to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't go through. Now you let yourself look at me, look at me. You made me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? So what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be messing with the Fadizi, which Granny likes to call it, aka the RX7. So this is on the agenda today. Today I have the window dudes coming out. They're about to be reinstalling my windows, the front and the rear. So and one thing I need to do before they even get here is I need to go ahead and pull this battery out. I need to warranty this out. Car's been sitting for forever and it's finally ready to start kind of getting back on the channel and moving and maneuvering. So need to make sure this thing won't start the fuck up every single time I want to. So hopefully after they get the windshield in here, I'm gonna probably just wipe this down beforehand. Remember when I picked it up, it got all dirty and we got like a little bit of mud, water on here. So it's not that bad. It's just only on this area. So it's gonna be super easy to clean off. But that's something that I need to take care of before they get here, along with swapping the battery. So that's pretty much what we get into today. Today we're gonna be getting the FD, you know what I'm saying? Just to situate it. So for my FD people, man, it is finally about to be, you know what I'm saying, getting back on this thing. Also, I noticed my motherfucking window cowl is missing, bro. This thing is missing. This is from the original shit tweaker nigga. This is from Jay, so I have to find another one, another window cowl, and I need to find left-hand drive wiper blades, like the actual wiper arms. So this is gonna be fun trying to do, man. FD parts are fucking hard as hell to find. So luckily there isn't too much missing, but I'm pretty sure this alone is probably gonna cost me at least about, I would have to assume if I find a stock one, maybe I can find it for $300-400 bucks. But if I end up doing carbon fiber or something, it'll probably end up being like 500. And then I've been looking for the arms, bro. I can't even find the arms anywhere. All I'm seeing is left-hand drive arm. All I'm seeing is the right-hand drive arms. And yeah, so I really want to keep window wipers on here. I want this thing to be as complete as possible. But other than that, I do have new bumper lights for this thing. I ended up getting darker bumper lights. So maybe today I'll throw the darker bumper lights on the front and the rear. I have the newer style indicator lights and all that shit. So yeah, man, that's what we got going on today. I also need to get these wires off, get this hood and stuff popped. That way we can check this out. So with that being said, without dragging out the intro, my bad. Sorry, there's so much to say in so little time that you niggas want to hear me ramble and talk. Ooh, the FD. I've missed this car so much, man. I'm actually about to start driving this car a lot. Like, I want to drive this car so much more than I've ever driven it now that it's really almost done. Like, my goal was always to have the FD and just drive it like it was a regular car. That way, people, hello, how you doing? Good morning. But, you know, people always have their FDs and stuff. Huh? Yeah, you can throw it. Throw it. Oh, no, not the FD. I just got it painted. Oh, man. Now you're all good. You have a good day. But yeah, I want to drive this thing more. A lot of FD owners, this stuff's always in the garage. You guys know that mechanically, I haven't had any issues out of the FD. None whatsoever. My FD's always ran super good. So I want to drive this thing. I want to drive it as much as possible. And I had like, I'm gonna continue talking once I start getting some shit done. I don't want to talk too much, but I got a lot I want to say. But let's start getting some stuff done, and then we'll chit chat some more. So, battery. Let's get this shit out of here. All right, what's good, man? We back. So ended up swapping the battery entirely. Ended up doing a whole different battery little setup in here. Had to redo the terminals. The old battery only had 330 cold cranking amps. So switched to something a little taller. This one has 500. So yeah, this one should stay charged a little bit better. I think the other one was more of like a bike battery. So I'm about to start this thing up, pull it out, because the window niggas is, what the fuck? There we go. Because yeah, the window dude's on the way. He said he's about 20 minutes out, so I'm gonna pull this out, let it warm up. I wanna check the fluids and everything, and then just let this thing idle for a little bit. But yeah, let's pull this thing out. Hopefully it starts up. Ah! Ah! I don't remember this car being this small. Fucking painter must have shrunk it. Sat in the sun so long and started shrinking. Hey, they got some cranking power now. Alright man, it's our first time seeing the engine bay on the FD in a minute. It's been a cool little minute. I'm about to add some coolant to this thing, get this coolant warning light from beeping because I can still hear it. So we fill this thing up, just wanted to show y'all the engine bay. God damn, I need to clean out my filter, bruh. Horrible. And it's a Gretty filter. Sheesh. Alright, so we got Glass Bro pulling up. I've been calling you Glass Nigga and Glass Bro all day, so we got Glass Bro. Here, you want to tell him all your info and shit? It's right there on the shirt, too, if y'all want to,
yes, sir.
You know, call him and see about getting some glass. Bro, pull up.
Tap in.
And he can get FD glasses and Viper glasses for my Viper people. He said he can get them, so.
And the year, make, and model. No, most people, they just go and they wipe it down with a paper towel. But it still leaves like a couple of like little specks and debris and shit. But you can see what that's taking off, taking over.
That's just taking the spray off of it. Yeah. That paint been on there for hella long too.
Just with glass cleaner and a magic eraser.
All right, this rear glass look fresh as D-fuck. Look brand new ski now. So for my FD people, if you ever need to get a rear glass, good luck because you can't get one. So you better hope that shit don't never get broken. They're like impossible to find. Look who pulling up. Got bruh pulling up. Oh yeah, you definitely didn't come dressed to work. Yeah. He needs some mufflers. Oh, look, quiet. What do you think of FD? Looks clean, huh? Just hella dirty right now. He did a good job on it. He definitely did a good job. Yeah, I talked to him yesterday. He said it's not cut and buffed. You know, once you get your car back, that's when you figure out the truth on what really happened. So, car got sprayed twice. So remember how he was taking hella long? He painted the body, and he kept taking hella long to do the rest of it. Well, when he did that and went to go paint everything, guess what happened? The shit didn't match. So he had to he had to buy new paint and redo the whole car. So currently it ain't cut and buffed, but for not being cut and buffed, it still look hella good. So he was like, he finally, you know, owned up, apologized, and was like, bruh, he offered me money back, but I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm like, it ain't about the money. It's about just the situation. So he was like, if you want to work some more, he was like, I'll make the situation right. I'm like, we'll see, bruh. All right, so they got the rear molding on, rear glass in. Shit looks good. Looks good. This is much needed anyway. Remember the last one was cut. So this is like perfect. And then I am missing the molding right here. So I just went ahead and ordered this new molding, and yeah, tax, bruh. FD shit is tax. It's crazy. It's just like $300 some for this dumbass molding right here. And the cowl is ordered. It's gonna be that little shit that adds up that's gonna get annoying that you're trying to replace in here, because it's gonna be hella hard to find. Especially certain things that are specific for left-hand drive FDs that don't work on the right-hand drive ones. But stuff like this, the molding, that's like that doesn't matter. It's chassis, not chassis specific, but the cowl, the right-hand drive and left-hand drive one is different. So I found the cowl, but I need to find the wiper arms. That is the hard part to find right now. I can't find left-hand drive wiper arms for shit. He's getting ready to get on the front glass right now. This one has like this blue tint to it. And then you can see it has like the little, kind of like a little sunshade shit, whatever you want to call it on there. But then there's another window that's a different part number that he also brought that's like a brown color. So I'm leaning towards the brown one, obviously, because I feel like it'll blend in and match up with the car better. But we're just going to put this on there just to get an idea and see. Alright, so this is our dumbass little dilemma right now. So this is the windshield. It has like this brown tint to it, but it doesn't have the little sunshade area right here. So it looks good on the inside. It's super clear. Like when you look through it, it just looks clear as hell, which is cool. Like you can see the brown tint slightly. So y'all can see up here. This is what the other one looks like. It just has like that blue little tint to it. But I told him, I was like, fuck it, you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and send it. The other one does have a hint of brown/bronze, so it's close to the paint. We're just gonna do it that way. Worst case scenario, if the sun gets in my eyes, I'll keep a pair of sunglasses in this motherfucker or something. Because it has no sun visors for sure. Alright, last little look before we wrap this up. So y'all can see windshield, everything in. Went to start this thing up, had a vacuum leak. For now, I can actually run it. Sitting here idling, just start idling hella high. Started looking over it, found a vacuum leak, so just got those all capped off. Now I'm about to fire it back up and make sure this thing idles, and maybe it'll actually rev now that it doesn't have that crazy ass vacuum leak. So let's see. Bro, it idles so smooth now. So smooth now. There goes that coolant light. Let me add some coolant to it. All right, there we go. No more coolant light buzzing. Oh, bro, why are my gauges not working? Come on. Are you kidding me? Yo, fucking gauges aren't working. These things gotta get hooked back up. I don't know what these painters be doing, man. Just disconnecting shit and not hooking it back up. Will this thing rev finally? There we go. Alright, vacuum leak situated. Back to revving. Perfect. So Minusful Aaron just got back from doing some SC stuff, man. So y'all will be getting the SC video right after this one. That's what we did. I decided to break that up. So yeah, now that I'm back, last thing I want to check on before I wrap up this video is the indicator lights that I have. So I told you I was swapping out the clear ones that I have. This bumper used to actually have some clear lights, but since we're going a little bit darker on the car, figured we'd do some darker ones on the rear. So these are slightly smoked. And then for the front, we are doing dark in the front also. And there y'all go. So these don't have the hardware. Hopefully there's some hardware in here because I don't have my old hardware. Oh, shout out to them. At least they came with lights, like little bulbs in there. I was gonna swap these out with LEDs because currently I have LEDs in there, but I think I'm gonna just leave the ones they sent with it. No? Alright, I am gonna need some hardware. But I think these are gonna look sick in there. Obviously tomorrow I'm gonna clean up the bumper, clean up the car and everything. But just for video purposes, let's check and make sure these things fit. This is this side, I think. Bruh, the fit is spot on. Spot on. Perfect. It's gonna look good with the black housing. I should have got the OEM ones. The OEM ones right here has a little, it's like a little orange, but I think clear with the blacked out looks really good on there because I am gonna be doing my splitters again. It already has the side splitters, so I gotta kind of incorporate my black accents on here, but this does look good. Definitely looks good. So yeah, man, I'm about to be wrapping this up. So I'll be back with y'all tomorrow. I'm probably like, I got like 4 or 5 videos, so y'all probably gonna get content all week. But yeah, man, wrap it up. Practice safe sex. Until next time, we out.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady, speed limit 60.